Hello YouTube, this is Vincent. I'm here to show you how to place the element on I believe it's a IKEA. That's the model number. Right there. And this the oven. And basically, it's like two screws, one right there and one right there. I already took them out. But all you do is just lift this up, lift the top up after you take two screws out. See, you just lift it up, and then you can find something to prop the door up so it won't fall. I use my power bar, and this is the one I'm replacing right here. Or look like I gotta get back there, so let me remove this. I can remove the whole top. It just come off the hinges. You just pull it up. Just hold on for a second. See, you just lift it off. To the side. It just sits on top of the hinge right there. There's no screwing on that. You just sit the lip back on top. But this is the one I'm replacing right here. And of course, I unplugged it. And here goes the element. See? So this one, is about the same thing. So every one you take off, you just put back on this one. So here we go. Take this pink one off. Pink one off. Put it on here. And this one. Two up there, put them there, and there's two over here. This one looks like goes here. And the element. That one will probably go here on the side. This one looks different for some reason. Let's see if it'll fit. Nope. So I might have to modify it. See how this one's so skinny and that one's fat? Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. What I did, I took some snips, wire snips, and I cut it in half. See what it is to make it smaller. See, the wire, 10 snips. Alright, so I'll put the big one on here. And then the small one, see, it should fit now. So I cut it in half. Now it slides on there, see? So I have to take this thing off. Here are the clips right here. So the clips. Just push it out on the bottom. It's a little tab. One right there and one right here. It just slides in, see. And with these, see the numbers? You gotta put them on the exact number that's on there. So this is 54. 54. So you just pull it off. Let's see. And pull back and then pull out. See that? It's just like a little clamp, see? So put that on 54. 54 right here. See? Put that one in there. That's basically stick it on it like that, see? The back, the little back one. See, look. That's 54. And this one is, what's that, 18? It's 18, just like this. Find 18 on here. 18 is right here. And I got it backwards. Goes, the long one is in the front and the short one at the back. Put on 18. Okay. Come on. See? It's on there. It doesn't seem like it's tight. Maybe I need to bend this long one up a little bit so it sit in a little bit more. Let's see, like this. I bent it in a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, that was a little better, I guess. I think I better do it some more. Just bend it in some more. Alright, let's try it now. Yeah, I guess it'll work a little better. Alright, so move this one out the way. Set this one back over here. And it was sitting corner, see? Side up, side in. And then slide this one back in right here. And everything's hooked up. Yep. Okay. My tools. And it's sitting on there. So all you gotta do is sit the top back on. And just put the lip over top like this. Just right back on top. Yep, see? And then you just put the screws back in, which is these. The screws right there. See? There should be two of them. One there. And one on this side. Okay. And that's it. You plug it back up. Plug it back up. And it should be good. And again, model number 2. Well, model number anyway. And it's a IKEA. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. And talk to y'all soon.